Hello guys, my name is Kishan and today we are going to look at the difference between case, statement and decode function in Oracle SQL. As we all know, both case and decode are used to give an if then else kind of a logical structure to our standalone SQL statements. So ever wondered why two of them are required? Why can't just we use any one of them, and how are they both different from each other? Actually, case and decode are quite different from each other. We can say like case has more flexibility and ability to work than compared to decode. So in this tutorial we will look at all the differences between case and decode. Also we will see some practical examples on them. So first of all, case is an ANSI SQL product, whereas decode is Oracle proprietary. Then comes is case can work with logical operators other than equals, whereas decode will work with only equals and like operators. What I mean by this statement is, as you can see over here, in my first SQL statement, what I have written is, I have taken employee ID and salary from the employees table of HR schema, and I have selected something like case when salary is between 0 and 5000, then give grade 1. When salary is between 5000 and 10,000, grade 2. So as you can see I am using a between operator, between this and this, then give me this kind of a structure. So when you execute it, it works perfectly fine and give you the output that is desired. Okay, but we cannot do such a thing. We cannot use between or less than or greater than or less than equal to greater than equal to kind of operators when we are working with decode. What we can do with decode is some simply like salary equals 5000, then grade 1, salary equals 1000, then grade 2. So we can just work with equals operator. We cannot have the ability to use all this between and in and greater than, less than, all those kind of operators. So that is one limitation with the decode statement. The other difference is case can work with predicates and searchable queries also, whereas decode takes only expressions as scalar values. Now what I mean by that is, when you are working with a case statement, you can have like column name is this, or when job ID like this. So I can change, so my expressions are like manager ID is null, then show precedent, then I'm using some other column like job ID like in this, then this one like job ID like sales representative, then that one. So my expressions are quite different from each another and are more in depth than what I can do with decode. We cannot use something like that in decode. If you are using one column, then you will be using the same column for all the comparison in that particular decode statement. But as you see here, I am using multiple. Once I have used manager ID, then job ID, sometimes I am doing is null, then I am doing like operator. So the expressions are more more searchable, and more we can use more predicates in them. Also we can have select queries here, like when a particular select query exists, then do this, or otherwise if not exist, then show output like that. So such predicates and searchable expressions are allowed in case, whereas such functionality is not available in decode. Now one advantage to decode is like decode doesn't look for data consistency, whereas case looks for it. So if you have checked my video on decode, I have shown this example where what I am doing is I am using like decode bracket open, means the start of the decode, and bracket end is the end of the decode, of course. So at the start of the decode I am taking the expression as 15 into 10. So when 15 into 10 is 150, right? So when I try and match it with a character 150, and then I print 150 on the screen, then I match it with character 200. If it matches, I put 200 on the screen, and otherwise I just put no match. So when you execute it, you get 150. That means this number to character conversion is taken care by the statement itself. So it doesn't look at data consistency. But whereas if you use the same thing in a case statement, like if you do 15 into 10 and you try and match it with a character 150, it will not match. It will say inconsistent data types, expected number got character. So case is very much data sensitive, whereas decode doesn't look that way. Then coming to the differences, case takes null is equal to null. So null equals to null is false, right? Null is just absence of value. So absence of value is not equal to absence of value. Whereas decode works with null like null is null. So whenever we write a column like column name is null, so that condition goes true. So the effect that can give us is like if I write a select statement like case expression null, when it is null, then give null data as output, else not null. Now when I work with case, it gives me not null. What it did is null is not equal to null. This condition went to false and the else part got executed. But if you are working with a decode, when I do like null compared with null, what I execute is I get null data over here. So what it has done is it has taken like column name is null that way. So this condition goes true in decode and the output is thrown, that is null data here, whereas in case null equals null goes false and null data is given as the output. So this is one of the main difference, or we can say standard difference between a case and decode. Then comes like a case can be used in a PL/SQL construct also and in an SQL statement, whereas decode is only restricted to SQL statements. What I mean by that is we can use a standalone case statement in a PL/SQL block. Say suppose what I am doing here is I have given grade a variable, I have sent 10 value to it. So whenever grade is between 9 and 10, I print excellent, 7 and 8 good, 5 and 6 average. Otherwise I am saying scope of improvement. So this is a standalone case statement. As you can see, I have ended the case statement with end case. If you are using it in SQL query, you will just write an end to end the case statement. Okay, but in PL/SQL you need to write end case. So when you work like this, you get the output like excellent because I have given grade equals to 10. Okay, so a case statement can be used in a PL/SQL construct, but a decode can't. Always remember to end it with end case. If you don't, it will give something like an error saying a case was needed before semicolon. So always end a case statement in PL/SQL block with end case. Now coming to the last point. Now this is very interesting one. A case can be used in parameters while calling a procedure, a decode can't. What I mean to say is when you're calling a parameter, you can use a case statement over there. Like if this condition is true, then pass this, else pass this. Okay. So what I'm doing is this is a small procedure called as p somewhere. I'm taking two variables and adding them and printing on the screen. So what I'm doing is like case 2, when it is equal to 2, then pass 2 to the procedure, else pass 100. Okay, and the second variable I'm just passing 10. So when you execute it, the case statement is accepted there. So 2 is equal to 2, so 2 is passed and 2 plus 10 gives me 12. Say suppose I have like case 1 here. So case when 1, 2 will be false, else part will be executed, 100 will be sent to procedure, and 100 plus 10, 110 is our output. So in a procedure calling also, you can put a case statement and work. Say suppose you have a variable, runtime variable, so you can take that runtime variable like when this variable equals to this, then pass this, otherwise pass that. So this is one of the way where case statement works. But if you try to use a decode over there, like decode when it is 2, when 2 matches 2, pass 2, otherwise pass 100. When you try and do this, it raises an error saying decode may be used inside an SQL statement only. So this is the difference between case and decode. As we have seen, case is much more powerful than decode. Also it is told by Oracle that case execution of a case statement is better than execution of a decode statement in like optimization and all, but that are to be tested under the various environments. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is Kishan signing off. Thank you.